What's that all about?
Oh, crap!
Yes?
Crap!
Are you okay?
Yeah. Hello? Yeah, you scared me. You should just... I told you to call after class. Yeah, every time you call me when I don't know, you scare the crap out of me. Look, I'll just be downstairs. Stop. Hello? Yeah, I'm in the library. Sorry.
Oh, jeez!
Yeah? Why? I'll be there soon.
You're not investing in anything.
Hello? Ow. Yeah, I just got scared. Hello? Hello?
Are you okay?
Oh, yeah. Hey, I'll call you back. Okay? Yeah, I'm just in public and that was embarrassing. Why did you call me?
You good? Are you okay?
Yeah. Stop calling.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get to the dentist.
Okay.
Is that over there?
Oh.
Huh?
Sorry.
Oh. Yeah? Where are you? Sorry, excuse me. Yeah. Sorry. Hello? Sorry. Yeah, I'm going to the meeting over here. You scared me. Why did you call me? Oh, what's on? Oh. Yeah. Yeah, I just keep getting phone calls. Oh.
You right?
Yeah. Hello? At school, why? You keep calling me. Shoot. Oh, crap. Grandma? Yeah, sorry, I completely forgot about Grandpa's birthday party.
Taking it from You okay?
Yeah, dadgummit.
This last year too.
Oh man. Yeah.
That was funny though.
Oh, thanks. Oh, we'll see you next year.
Okay. Thank you.
We're making a YouTube video. Is it okay if we use that for
We thought it was a psych study, but